In this video, you will learn how to get the best unlinked codes. First, install the Unlinked Codes app. Download and install the Unlinked Codes app on your Android device or Fire Stick using a browser or third-party app store. Open the app. Launch the app after installation. Tap Add a store. On the main screen, tap Plus button and enter a store code manually. Enter a popular unlinked code. Input one of the popular unlinked codes. This could be 123456 or 555555 or even 67664537 to access different apps libraries. Browse the store. Once the store loads, browse or search the app tools and content category you're interested in. Download the apps. Tap on any apps with the store and follow the prompts to download and install it. Stay updated. Join online forums or communities, such as on Reddit, to stay updated on the latest workings and the best unlinked codes to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.